Welcome students, welcome to the computer practical class. This is the practical number 14. So today we are going to discuss about the program. Write a program in Python to read the content of a file line by line and display it. Assume that the file name is multiline.txt. Over here, the name of the file has been mentioned, which is multiline.txt. So what we have done? Initially we have created a file. The file is over here. The name of the file is multiline.txt. So txt is the extension. Over here we have written, hello, we are the students of class 12. So I have created this file and saved the file on the desktop. All I have to do is to take out the path of the file. To do that, right click, go to the properties, and over here you will get the path. Just copy it and paste it over here with the name of the file dot extension along with the mode. Over here I have written r+. Now we have created a list and line equals to f.readline. F is the file object, f.readline. Over here we have opened the file, and over here what we are doing, we are reading the content of the file line by line, and then we are printing that. After performing all the operations, we are closing the file. So it is very important that you have to open the file, and after performing all types of operations, you have to close the file. So it will provide you output like this. So let's see. I have already written the program and saved it with a name. Now we will go to the run module, or alternatively you can press F5. So it will provide you the output like this. So all you have to do is to write the program in the right side of the copy and output in the left side. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next practical class.